Hey there, foodies! Welcome back. Today, we're diving into the world of southern comfort food with a classic dish that's sure to make your taste buds dance. Fried green tomatoes. And if you're ready to take a flavorful journey, hit that subscribe button and let's get started. Before we get started, let's take a look at what we'll need for this mouth-watering recipe. Of course, the star of the show is our green tomatoes. Make sure they're firm and unripe for that perfect crunch. Here's what you'll need. Green tomatoes, buttermilk, cornmeal, all-purpose flour, salt, pepper, paprika, garlic powder, vegetable oil for frying. Now that we've got our ingredients, let's dive into the preparation. Begin by slicing your green tomatoes into about half-inch thick rounds. It's important to keep them uniform for even cooking. Next, we'll give our tomatoes a bath in some buttermilk. This not only adds a tangy flavor but also helps the breading stick. In a separate bowl, mix together your cornmeal, all-purpose flour, salt, pepper, paprika, and a dash of garlic powder. This is where the magic happens. Smiling, take each tomato slice. Dip it into the seasoned cornmeal mixture, making sure to coat both sides evenly. Now, let's get to the fun part, frying. Heat up some vegetable oil in a skillet over medium heat. Once it's nice and hot, carefully place your coated green tomatoes into the oil. Fry them until they're golden brown on each side. Advising, once they're beautifully crispy, transfer them to a plate lined with paper towels to absorb any excess oil. And now, the moment we've all been waiting for, the taste test. The crispy exterior gives way to that tangy, slightly tart green tomato. It's a perfect harmony of flavors and textures. And there you have it, folks, the ultimate fried green tomatoes. Whether you enjoy them as a snack, a side dish, or even in a sandwich, this southern classic is bound to become a favorite in your kitchen. If you loved this recipe, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more delicious content, and let us know in the comments what you'd like to see next. Until then, happy cooking, and I'll see you in the next video.